Hospital is a very special place that we entrust our health to. We go to the hospital to restore our health. Our hospital's laundry is equipped with washing machines with a capacity of 50 to 55 tons per month and managed by professional staff. My name is Vusala Dunjamalijeva. I am the head of the laundry department at Bona Dea International Hospital. Our department has 21 employees who work day and night shifts. Each morning, before starting their work, staff members receive information about daily tasks and updates. Then, they take over the shift and go on with their working day. The dirty unit of the laundry is equipped with 5 washing machines. Each of these machines has different specifications. An 84-kilogram washing machine is used to wash infected linens and operating room linens, and another 84-kilogram washing machine is used for general textiles. We use a 45-kilogram washing machine to wash clothes of all the hospital staff. We also have a 26-kilogram washing machine that washes microfibers and mops used by the cleaning services, and a 16-kilogram washing machine that we use to wash the clothes of infants born at our hospital. Failure to wash and hygienically clean the hospital textiles in accordance with the standards and in a right manner increases the risk of infection for patients and medical staff. At the appointed hours, porters put the collected soiled linens into the covered trolleys and bring them to the laundry. Staff of the dirty and clean units work in shifts. Before crossing the red line to enter the dirty area and start taking over the soiled linen, a staff member should change their footwear and put on the apron, gloves, mask, and glasses. In order to prolong the life of hospital linens, we have developed specific washing and drying programs for different types of fabric. We use water of the highest quality and constantly measure its pH and alcohol levels. We don't use any chlorine-containing substances. Furthermore, we use only washing substances that are accepted by international standards. All the laundry bags are color-coded. Green for general soiled linen, red for infected linen, orange for operating room linen. Yellow bags labeled "Attention" are used for the linen collected from the rooms of chemotherapy patients. A dirty unit worker classifies the linens and puts them into washing machines. We don't manually put detergents into washing machines. We use dosing devices to do this instead. Our laundry has modern equipment fitted with the latest technology. Laundry staff observes all the rules intended to minimize the occupational risk of infection, transmission, or infection exposure. Appropriate hand hygiene, right use of personal protective equipment, removing foreign substances from soiled linens. Removing tough stains is one of the important parts of our work. We use stain removers and ensure that stains are removed without damaging the fabric. Our clean unit has 2 hand irons, 2 presses, 2 mannequins, 4 dryers, 1 sewing machine, and 1 packing machine. After the linens are washed in the washing machines, They are put in clean trolleys and dried in dryers. Then, they are ironed, folded, and packed. After they dry, all the textiles are packed, put in special clean trolleys, and handed over to the respective departments. In the laundry, we also repair linens that have come undone or have been torn. Staff uniforms are washed, dried, and ironed on even days of the week and handed over to staff on odd days of the week. Detergents used to wash linen are stored in the laundry warehouse. They should be kept dry and at a required temperature. Expiration date of detergents should be monitored by a warehouse keeper. Soiled linens are collected in a manner that prevents the spread of microbes into the environment. Unlike other linens, operating room linens come in orange bags and are washed in an 84-kilogram washing machine and then transferred to the clean unit. In the clean unit, they are dried in dryers. After being dried, they are sorted according to size, folded, and handed over to the sterilization department using a handover and takeover form. The laundry is cleaned throughout the day. Trolleys, equipment, floors are cleaned and disinfected every day. Our main goal is to ensure that our patients receive treatment in a clean and hygienic environment. Employees of the laundry department receive training on infection prevention and control, the right use of personal protective equipment, compliance with isolation guidelines, right use of washing, drying, and ironing equipment, as well as additional trainings on basic life support and fire safety, in accordance with the requirements of JCI, organization that works to improve patient safety and quality of healthcare. These types of trainings are held on an ongoing basis. All the staff working at the laundry is responsible both for their own safety and the safety of others. We comply with all the provisions of the health and safety policy. Our hospital was built in accordance with the rules of JCI, the most prestigious healthcare quality standards in the world, and it continues implementing these standards. As a laundry department of Bona Dea International Hospital, our goal is to work in accordance with JCI guidelines that are considered as gold standard of global healthcare to prepare educated and trained staff that provides high-quality services, to ensure that patients feel comfortable during their stay at the hospital by providing them with clean and hygienic linen, and to always maintain high patient satisfaction. Bona Dea International Hospital continues providing services based on the concept of valuing people and strives for the best. Health is priceless. Trust the best.